about to rip it. Hold on. Ease on through. Knee out, ass out, body off, barely on the bike, holding on to a dream. Avoid the snakes in the road. Lean, come out, hit it. Third, clip it. Clip 1 to 2. We're clipping them chicanes, baby. Watch over that road shit. Hold the line. Hold the line. Wait for it. There's my boy. Hello. Declining radius turn. Oh, hit it. Yes, fourth. Clip it. Ah! Dude, this is the road. This is the road of dreams. Oh my God. Best road in America. I said it. Best road. Better than any road I've ever ridden. In my life, I said it. Ride that white line, baby. Thin white line. Ah! Oh, I love it. This road's fucking awesome. Look at this cyclist. This guy's going like 50 on a bicycle. Whoa, get that knee out there, big boy. Love it. This is what life is all about, baby. This is what life's about. Ah! Woo! Oh, hell yeah. This is the reason why I ride, alright? You're not thinking about anything else in the world except this next turn, hitting it at the right, perfect, A to C, hit that apex, roll on the throttle, come out the turn, shift up. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Get that knee out. Whoa! Look at that. Ah, that's sick. Poetry in motion, baby. Let's go! Hit it. Whoa, my boy! My boy! Mountain rider. I love the hill climb. Come out the turn, hit it, fourth, look at that. MotoGP shifting, goddamn good. I suck though. But in the moment I feel amazing. My boy's here. That's when you know you're in the right spot. All these riders everywhere, riding hard, riding true. Ride true, my fellow friendos. Look at this. Oh my God, I love it. Hit that. Hit that. Hit that. Sheesh. This road's fantastic. Clip it. Let me see. Ah, yeah. I'm shifting faster than lightning right now, baby. Oh my God, look at this road. Hell yeah. Ah, hold on. Oh yeah. Yes. This is the best road. Bar none, baby. I'm getting some right now. I'm getting some. I'm getting so much. Remember Lieutenant Dan when they're out in the ocean and the storm's happening and they're the only shrimp out there? That's how I feel right now. He goes, that's where the shrimp is, my boy. Oh my goodness, I love it. This road has made the trip worthwhile. Just this road alone. That's it. I don't need much. Just this road. Oh my golly gosh.